channel once again, Elegant Hair. In today's tutorial, we'll be making Afro Puff or bun in whatever name you know it as, and I'll be using this ponytail cap, this round shaped one. You know there is also a rectangular one, but in today's tutorial for the Afro Puff I'll be using this round shaped one. Firstly, I have to secure my ponytail cap on the mannequin head. I'll be using T-pins in this shape. Then we'll be making the bun using this Afro spring twist in color 1B, 24 inches. So I'll be cutting each section into 3. For the installation, I'll be using my crochet hook. You can see the pin, it's smaller than the one we use for, I don't know if you can see that well. Yeah, like this. It's slightly smaller, smaller size than the regular one you use for your Senegalese twists, box braids, crochet installation. So for each of this bulk, I'll just separate into smaller sections for the installation. Yeah, you don't take too much, and you have to avoid, there's a string here. You don't have to sew on the string. You just have to make sure you give little space to properly come in. I attach, you pull, then I just knot twice, and that's it. You just pull to tighten the roots. I'm doing this for an adult, so I will try to put in as much hair as possible. If it were be for a kid, you would like to space out more so the density is less. But for an adult, of course, our clients want it to be as full as possible, like with full density, which we're gonna see at the end of this tutorial. So you just repeat the same step, giving just little gap to it from each install. You can see that. quick comb in the middle like this. You can trace the middle by tracing from the string direct to the top. That will be your middle. You just attach the comb here for extra security. For extra security. Now the wig comb is slightly secured here, and I have to go in to just brush it off a bit so I know the excess wants to trim out. Remember, it's Afro bun, Afro Puff we're doing. After the brush, I'll go ahead to pull the string to form the bun. Okay. You have it, you just pull it. There we go. You can see that now. Here you have the bun. I'll go ahead to trim the excess hairs.